What's up, everybody? I'm Joe Romo, and this is POHBOYS Garage. What's up, everybody? Made it back to POHBOYS Garage. Gonna do some more stuff to the 240 and then also doing some more stuff to Tim's Miata over there. You see where we are. What do you gotta get? You gotta get more stuff?
So we got the subframe all lined back up. Oil pan, few oil pan put all back on there. We got a couple things left to get. We need some new oil, of course. We need a new oil drain plug and power steering fluid because our fluid went all over the floor. And it's just about it. We gotta put our tie rod back on and we'll be done.
Easy as that. Just a few car part stores to go to. Hopefully I have what we need. I don't know. Last time you went to get a drain plug, it didn't work, right?
Yeah, we got a bunch of them. None of them fit.
Yeah, no. They bought like what, 3 of them. None of them fit.
Yeah.
But also on the 240 right here, I'm gonna go buy some like liner spray so I get it all nice and black again. This car's gonna be looking good. So let's head out. Woohoo! We're gonna head out to O'Reilly's or AutoZone. I'm not too sure yet. But hey man, look at this car. Remember when I broke the Miata oil pan? This is what he bought right here. He bought that guy right there. Little Infinity. Pretty nice. He got a really good deal on it. It has a killer exhaust on it. Here, hit it. Hit the exhaust. Let me go next to it. Alright, go. Sounds really good, especially out in the canyons. Yee-hoo. Oh, O'Reilly's. Picked up some of this undercoat sound eliminator. Going to spray the wheel well. And I wanted to get some glossy black, but they didn't have it. Who doesn't have glossy black paint? I don't understand. So
basic paint.
We're gonna head over to AutoZone, which is across the street. I'll show you right now. Look at that. AutoZone is right over now. Alright, made it back. Did you find a winner? You said you found a winner?
We found a winner for the drain plug.
There are issues with the drain plug. We bought a few different ones. Tim bought a couple last week. They didn't work out. We bought a few more today. Did end up getting the winner? Is there a winner around there? Let's see.
Right here. Here, I'll show. You got your
Careful, it's recording.
We got our winner drain plug, brand new right here. And no hole if you've noticed.
No, yeah, it's all nice now. Oh man. So all I have to do is add the oil and the power steering, right? Power steering fluid.
Power steering, oil, anything else?
That's it?
I think that's it. Oh, the tie rod right here, we gotta put back together.
Okay, so tie rod and fluids, and we'll be good. Put that thing on the road again and go have some fun. We went to AutoZone and O'Reilly's, picked up some of this right here. Going to be doing the wheel well. Try to make it look a little bit more presentable, even though you won't really see it. And I just picked up some nonsense, whatever, touching one. Hopefully it doesn't run. Hopefully it's decent quality. I just looked for the cheapest, whatever, gloss black, because there's still these I need to paint up. I gotta still take all this stuff off, paint some black going on down there, and then finally put it all back together. Trying to set up some lighting for you guys so you can see everything. Well, not only for you guys, but for me too. It got a little windy, so I had to close that guy. But another one's open. We got plenty of space and lighting during the day. Yep, let's get this done. So I'm just taping off the holes. So when I spray the stuff underneath, nothing's gonna fly out and get this pretty engine bay all disgusting and dirty. Yeah, I could probably, like, you know, plug up the holes with, you know, tack weld it and smooth it all out, but I'm not a professional. I'm just getting this done so I can start having some fun. Alright, taped up the back side already. There's the holes with all the tape. Still gotta cover this guy up, but next thing I gotta do is just make sure I cover this guy up since I didn't remove it, and then just cover all this up so it doesn't get sprayed. And now look at my little setup. It's working. Got the light for you guys. There's the before. Blocked everything off. Now it's time to try this guy out. Let the undercoat dry. Came out really good. Good little addition to add to it. So if you want to pick up a can, if you're doing this yourself, there it is. It's only like $6-7 bucks. Not bad at all. It's a full house. We have these two bobbleheads. Hee. So we're gonna get more stuff done. And I don't know what happened to Joey. He went way out, didn't he? There he is. Like, he went way outside. And look who it is. What's up? What'd you bring?
I got plan B. And C.
Dang.
And replacement for the broken ones.
Damn.
I broke all three sizes.
The last video, if you didn't see it, go watch it. But we got these, replaced it.
No
That's good shit.
No synopsis of the last episode.
Yeah.
Go watch it.
So attempt 4 at taking it off?
Well, 3 breaks, no successful tries.
Yeah.
So attempt 4 of trying to get it off, I guess.
Let's do it. Damn, there's holes. There's holes over here. So if you ever come to POHBOYS, make sure you have insurance.
Plan C.
Yeah, that one.
The big guy.
Hopefully get it working today, man.
It will. Or I'm cutting down the whole fucking drivetrain. How do you turn transmission anyway?
What's up, Angel?
Hey, just texting on the job.
Texting on the job?
Get back to work.
I know. So what happened with this guy over here? Motor mount is crooked, or that's upside down?
It's a little crooked.
The motor mount on the driver's side is a little crooked,
So if you're doing the motor mounts on this, put it in the lower hole, not the top hole.
yeah, wrong hole.
Lower hole. Oh man.
This is what happens when a desperate man gets desperate at POHBOYS garage.
Desperate in the desert.
Desperate in the desert.
There's water around here.
Like, comment, subscribe.
Oh my god. Guess what? Joey's car's done.
Yeah.
A little surprise.
I haven't tried it, but hopefully it rolls.
Hopefully it rolls. Look at everyone.
Monotone.
Dang! Is that exhaust leak? Hey! There it goes! Is it working? How are they gonna pull the e-brake around the corner?
I have no e-brake.
Oh, it doesn't work good?
No.
Oh, beautiful. Yeah, he's gonna have to come off of it.
Kicks it back to the Monte Carlo.
That too.
Yeah, the trunk. I should have hooked the way.
Good. Got it. So you're gonna try it out? You try your car right now? Give me some happy. Put it up and down. Yeah, look at that. It's happy again. It's running. Joey had his turn. Now it's Timmy. Let's see his go. Let's see if he can do some donuts around that little bush back there. We'll see.
Back now?
Oh, he's gonna go like Formula Drift speed? You're good, it's just the exhaust. Go around it, try go around it. Yeah, that was good.
I think perfect.
Yeah, that was good. Was it fun? Yeah? Yes.
Once you got a good groove, I thought
Yeah, it's like going. It's like, oh, I'm fucking doing it.
Yeah.
Bounce her a little bit, a little more, a little bit less.
You got it going. Look at that. Little Miata that could. All fixed up. Had to celebrate with some donuts around the facility of POHBOYS. Next on the agenda is got to push the Cressetta in where the Miata was. And then we'll have a lot more room in here. Right there. Gonna move the Cressetta right over there. We'll have a lot more room in this area. So woohoo!
For six skateboards.
More room for skateboarding.
Yeah, it doesn't matter, whatever.
Got two broken cars next to each other. It's cool. It's cool seeing both my cars in one little spot. It'd be better if they ran, you know?
And then you go park them by the same spots.
Yeah. Well, there's not two of me, so I always have to have a partner drive my other car. So wherever I'm going, if I'm going to Del Taco, yeah. Del Taco, two cars. All right. Super productive day at POHBOYS Garage. Thanks for tuning in. And if you want to see more of our crazy antics and the stuff that we get into, make sure to subscribe and hit that like button. And here's the background. Woohoo!